Want to see my new invention?
Yeah, sure. Okay, what's this invention called?
It's called the Blindinator.
All right, what does this blindinator do?
It makes people blind.
Wait, what?
Well, no! You're fucking done! No, I'm not!
Like, keep crying, little Timmy. You know what I'm doing? Like, imagine crying in a virtual game couldn't be me.
My name is Optimus.
Say last words, last words.
Extended clip, it's 30 clip, mag. I'll tweak you with my channel, make me crazy.
Wait! Let me hit my dance real quick. I'm hitting the wall. I'm hitting the wall.
I'm gonna kill you.
No!
No! Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He did! Don't let me go! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
Oh, you gave me some fun. Don't you want to snack
Bro, like, it was so good.
Oh damn. Oh damn. God. Damn. Oh.
Alright, bro, yeah, it's over here, you know? I kinda clogged the toilet, though.
You clogged the toilet. Okay.
Yeah.
Ugh! What fucking shit! Oh!
Taco. I had a bit of taco, though, bro. Sorry.
Oh! Smell
Hey,
it!
bro, get the fuck away from
Oh! I'm going in.
Dude,
Oh!
don't.
Oh!
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe.
I gave you the company coins! Get him!
Okay, here, take it. Here. Oh! Oh, shoot. Oh no. Bro.
Pikachu? I have a tiny Pikachu.
I have a tiny Pikachu. I'll trade it. I'll trade it.
I need to look through it. Get what I need you to run through it. Get what I need you to run through it. Get what I need you to run through it.
Точка 2.
Alright, let's see.
Hey. A grenade!
bro. Even the scoreboard. Okay, you know what? I'll just take the stick back. Give me the stick.
Here you go.
But no. Don't be scared.
Make sure you guys didn't steal anything. No
Really?
shoplifters here.
Billy, I told you not to steal anything. What?
I bet you can.
Yeah. You wanna go see it? Okay, let's go, Billy. There's your pet chicken. Go give him the treat. Yeah, go give him the treat.
Chicken.
What, Billy? What are you doing up there? That's dangerous.
Yummy.
3, 2, 1, shoot! Billy! Billy! It's a dynamite! What do we do? Billy!
Yo, check out my money!
Oh, 100K? That's pretty cool. Yo, check out mine.
Damn, you need to touch some grass!
Okay. Alright, I'm back. I did it.
Spicy! I love kindergarten, this is so fun. Shut up! Give me that crayon, now! Yeah, where's my dad? Oh, no, he's cooked. OG Season 1 Rocket Launcher. Hey, buddy. Come here. Let me show you up.
Say that? You want some burnt cookies for
Yeah, I want a cookie!
Joke, Jacob, it was just a joke. I'm not gonna give you any cookies, you diabetes.
Give me a cookie!
You have diabetes, I'm not giving it to you!
Let's see how it is. Virus. Right, this one should be. Ow! Right, this should be good. If I hit this, it should break. Little do they know.
Lucky duck.
Dad, watch your behind the back shot.
Jacob, that was terrible. I won! I won! Woo! Woo! I won!
I guess I won because you're dead.
Hey, Jacob. Oh, I got flare gun, all that. Look at that. Woo!
And you go ahead.
Alright, Jacob, do it one more time. That's not gold.
Look in the mirror, sharp as a bullet. God damn, I love my mullet. Look in the mirror, sharp as a bullet.
His B stands for BOOM!
Alright, Jacob. You gotta get out of your bath. It's time. Jacob, it's time to get out the bath.
It's freezing out here, Dad.
I don't
Where's my
care.
towel?
Should be over there. I don't know. I don't know.
Alright, I'll just go get it.
I think it's down there. Be careful, okay?
Give me toes down here. Bye! I'll see you in heaven later. And good looks. And this toy. Powdered toy. Get out of my toy! Do you think I care?
Yeah? Why wouldn't you?
I don't give a shit! Okay.
2, 1, oh shit!
Hey, Dad, can I put my bubble on you?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Haha, you just got tricked. Hey, wait. Scammer gets scammed. Wait,
You got
no,
scammed.
we're the scammer busters. No, my backpack, give me back.
Huh. You got scammed. You got scammed. I'm on my way.
Loser.
Hey, give that back.
Or what?
I'm gonna have my mom on the phone and talk to you.
You don't do it. Put your mom on the mic.
Okay, I will.
Hello?
Alright, so your son is like saying a lot of swears on the game, and it's like really bannable. So like, you gotta get your son under control.
Get your ass over here! Are you saying swears on the game?
No, I'm not, Mom. He's lying.
No, I literally heard it. I have it on record.
It's okay. I believe you. Honey, grab the belt. I'll make sure he gets grounded. Don't worry.
Well, he went this way, and then he went that way, and then he went this way. Oh god! Oh my god!
What did happen?
Three, 2, 1, go!
behind me. Get behind me. Just let me get weapons so we can fight. Yes! Stop. Move.
Don't get behind Joe.
Stop! I'm your friend, dude.
Is that your girlfriend?
Yes. So... Let me get weapons. Come here. Stop doing that!
Okay, that was my last time. You don't run from me.
I'll be right back, okay? Love you. Can you tell your stupid friend to stop? Let's go. Wait, there's nothing in here? No, give that back, bro! Give that back! Yo! What are you doing? Bro!
Alright, that's it. Time to die.
But he's the one who exploded us in the first place.
Oh, really?
My finger slipped.
Oh, really?
I don't know what to say.
Oh, really?
I just shot.
Oh, really?
How is him pooping his pants have anything to do with me?
Oh, really?
Well, you just...
Oh, really?
Hey, sir, what can I get you today?
Let me get a shake.
What kind of shake would you like, sir?
Shake your booty. Drive.